Radhe Krishna. Dvadasi Parana Nivedyam. Our elders have set up a healthy system of eating. After fasting a full day for Ekadasi, the Dvadasi Parana food should be suitable to suit our system. They have included spinach, gooseberry, and bitterberry or sundakya in the menu, which will supply iron, calcium, vitamin A, C, etc. Also, they advised us to avoid tangy thing like tamarind. So today, let us see a rasam devoid of tamarind and also how I have used the other vegetables. First, we saw brinjal masala fry, then mixed vegetable kootu, and then green and red spinach and yellow pumpkin flowers, toran or coconut curry, then the rasam, then fried sundaka, oil fried sundaka, and gooseberry khichdi mixed in curd, gooseberry coconut blend mixed in curd, and I am adding a spoon of ghee to the rice, full bran rice, and then flavored buttermilk. This is for our Nivedya. For the Dvadashi rasam, we will make the rasam powder. Here I have tur dal, 1 spoon, 1 red chilli, 1 spoon pepper. I am frying all these in ghee. I am adding a spoon of ghee for frying the powder. I am adding curry leaves too. Now I add a teaspoon of grated coconut and switch off the flame. Put it in the mixer along with the masala. In the kalchatti, I pour water, turmeric powder, Himalayan pink salt, and add Mexican mint leaves or panicurca leaves. Let it boil for some time. Meanwhile, we will make the spinach curry. I am adding some sprouts, green spinach, red spinach, and yellow melon flowers mixture into a coconut curry. Now we will take out the Mexican mint leaves. Squeeze out the juice into it. Add the tomatoes. 2 tomatoes I have cut. And also I have blended 1 tomato. That also I am adding. Boiling, and I will add a small piece of jaggery to the rasam and the masala powder in the mixie. Asafoetida. I am adding a teaspoon of ghee to the kadai for seasoning the rasam. Adding 1 spoon of ghee to the kadai. Adjust consistency with water. Adjust consistency of the rasam mustard by seeds, adding water. Cumin seeds. Into the ghee, add 1 spoon mustard seeds, then cumin seeds. Adding the seasoning to the rasam. Finished. Seasoning is over. Rasam is ready now. Meanwhile, the spinach curry is dry. Adding the coconut mixture. The spinach curry is almost dry now. Now adding the coconut, cumin seeds and green chili mix. For the seasoning, switch off the coconut oil, mustard seeds, urad dal. We will add the seasoning of mustard seeds and urad dal in coconut oil. Spinach curry is also ready, finished. The kalchatti, add yam pieces. Curry is ready. Water. Keep it covered for a while. Meanwhile, brinjal fry. In a kadai, add the brinjal pieces. Turmeric powder, salt. Adjust the consistency of the vegetable kootu. Blending coconut, urad dal and chilies. I am adding the cucumber seeds. I never waste them into the paste. For the masala, chana dal, urad dal, red chilies, curry leaves, coriander seeds, adding the paste to the vegetable kootu. Adding sesame seeds to the masala. Switch off. We will powder it and add to the brinjal. Seasoning for the kootu curry. Adding the powdered masala into the brinjal. Switch off. Try this healthy variation of Dwadasi Parana recipe. Radhe Krishna. All the best.